Doing all my babies. It's your girl We're Secrets coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a family member, because we are litty over here. And without further ado, y'all, I just got a little small purchase I made from Bath and Body Works. They were having a little sale. By the time you see this video, it's probably going to be over, but I'm still going to try to link things below. But during this time, the sale was, I think, 40% off of everything. And y'all, I just made some impulsive purchases. I know I've been bad, but it was something that I really wanted to purchase. So here we go right here. As y'all can see, this is a little baby box. It's a little baby box. It ain't the big boy. So let's get into it. Try not to spark and open it from the bottom. They be posting your address like all over the box. Like, okay, I know this is my purchase. I know it. I know that's my name. I know it. If you're having like your name like 4 or more times on the purchase, and it's like, okay, I get it. Y'all, I'm sorry if I'm shaking y'all around because I'm cutting the box open. So let's get into the madness. Here we go. Here we go. We got bubble wrap. So y'all only purchased 1, 2, 3, 4 things, literally. So we're gonna take this slow. So the 2 purchases that I purchased, which were basically double purchases because I love the smell of this lotion, is okay. Is the lotion, the cherry blossom lotion. There we go. There we go. There we go. Y'all, this smells so good. I literally only have a corner left of this lotion by my bed. And I was holding on to it because I'm like, if I don't hold on to it, I'm going to forget to repurchase it. If I take a picture of it, I might accidentally erase the picture. So I had to keep it. Y'all, this smells so good when you get fresh out the shower. Put the lotion on and then layer it with some, some of your favorite fragrance. Y'all, this smells so good. And let's see the notes. The notes are dewy watermelon, red plum, cherry blossom, sheer freesia, and soft sandalwood. And I like this better than the actual Japanese cherry blossom. For some reason, I can't get into that one. I've tried to get into the Japanese cherry blossom one. I can't. But when I seen this cherry blossom, I want to say I got hip to this about a year or 2 ago when they had their semi-annual sale. And I was like, I just needed something, that one-off item, just to make it the certain, a certain amount so you can use your coupons or stuff like that. So I'm like, let me just get this. And y'all, I don't regret buying it. So when I'm almost done with that one, it's literally like a corner. When it's bad, when you got to go like this, turn it upside down and go like this and, hit the bottle and you gotta, so I've been doing that. I'm not ashamed. When it's something, my favorite lotion, I'm going to do it. If it's my favorite perfume, I'm going to tilt it over just enough to get the part so I can, I'm that person. I'm getting every last corner. Toothpaste, I'm rolling it up. Regardless if I got more in the bag, which 9 out of 10 I do have multiple, of stuff, I'm still rolling it up, squeezing it. So I'm that person. Don't judge me. So yes, this smells so good. It's made with shea butter, coconut oil, and vitamin E. And it leaves your skin just very hydrated. And I love the smell of it. I think most important, I'm in love with the smell. So y'all, excellent. Another thing I purchased is this mango Mai Tai lip gloss. I thought it was so cute. Other than people calling me, well, my family members call me Tootie, but my friends and associates, they call me Tai. So I'm infatuated with anything that has TAI on it because that's my name that I go by, Tai. I even have this little. Actually, this is the same one. I got this candle. Y'all, my mama had this candle in her room. It got just a little bit of something. I'm like, don't throw it away. Because it says mango Mai Tai. So y'all, I'm like infatuated with stuff that has my name on it, Tai. So that's a fun fact about me. And y'all, all of these items are 40% off. So that this Mai Tai, I think this was normally like close to $10. I got it for $5.70. These ones, I remember this distinctively. I think these was like $13.50. Each of these were $8.10. So just imagine, you might as well bump it up and say these are $15 a piece. So I would have been paying $30 for two, but I ended up paying $16.20 for both of these. And then y'all, last but not least, y'all know I'm infatuated with perfume. I also wear men's cologne. I wear unisex perfume and stuff like that. You know, there's no shame in my game. So I wear a lot. So y'all, I seen this Teakwood, and y'all, I love the smell. I have the plug-in. I have the room spray, mahogany teakwood. I don't play no games. Like, I love the smell. I have the candle. I think the candle right there. Oh, wait. Right there. Mahogany teakwood. Y'all, it smells so good. It smells very masculine. You know, some people don't like masculine smells. Me, myself, I love a masculine smell. Lately, I want to say my favorite masculine smell is... Which one I've been wearing like crazy? Coach for him or Coach for men? Oh my goodness, that smells so good. But, you know, y'all, I'm always getting off topic. So y'all know Bath and Body Works, their colognes are like $49. And y'all, this was only $23. And this is for the 3.4 fluid ounces, 100 milliliter. Yeah, so this is a teakwood. It says Teakwood blends mahogany, teakwood, and lavender. So those are the notes. And that's this. Y'all, when I seen this on sale, I had to get it. Because I want to say during their semi-annual, I had passed it up. Because I'm like, I don't want that. Because it wasn't cheap enough. Like me, I'll watch some until it goes on. I was like, oh, it ain't cheap enough. But when I seen it this time, I said, oh, I got to get it. So it comes in this bottle right here. The juice is like a tannish, brownish color. Let me see if I could show the juice. You see the juice is like a tannish color. So let's spray it because I want to make sure that it smells like what it says it's supposed to smell like. I'm in love. I know good darn well I ain't need this, but I needed it. Oh, this is gonna be my new favorite. It really is. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. It smells so good. And if you smell mahogany teakwood, you already know. It's like, once you smell it, you just be like, it's just a breath of fresh air. It just smells so good. Y'all, if I had to guess who smelled like this, this is like very manly. Y'all, my crush, I have a man crush. Who's that guy? I want to say he's married to Lisa Monet. I think she played in what show she played in? The Bill Cosby Show. The man that played Aquaman. Ooh, that's one hunk of man. If I could find a picture, I'll post it. But y'all, if I had to, like, this, it would smell like him. Or what's another one? Jason Strahan. Or hold on now. The guy that played in Why Did I Get Married? Marcus, get the girl's number, Marcus. Him, what's his name? Michael Jai White. Baby. Woohoo. Yes, it smells like a very strong, very macho. It's giving me very clean. It smells good. If you haven't never smelled mahogany teakwood, just go in there and smell it. You just got to go in Bath and Body Works, open up a candle, smell it. You will fall in love. It smells so good. Y'all, these were my 4 little purchases. Y'all see, I did not break the bank at all. Like, I'm trying to grab stuff and stuff falling. 4 little purchases. Did not break the bank. I'm happy with these purchases, y'all, but I had to share them with y'all because when I get stuff, I'm trying to show y'all, because y'all know me, I let it build up and y'all be like, when did you get that? Where'd that come from? So y'all, we family. Don't judge me. I'm gonna try not to buy anything else, but I cannot let that pass, because y'all, I'm trying to be a little bit more cautious and conscious when I'm purchasing stuff, regardless if I need it or not. So I'm just not trying to be purchasing stuff just to be purchasing it. So, you know, I felt like these were necessities. You know, you gotta smell clean and fresh. You gotta have your lip gloss popping, you know. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys on the next one. And comment down below, what are your favorite fragrances, lotions, lip gloss, whatever from Bath & Body Works? I'm curious. I really am curious. See ya.